Today I'm going to show you my life here as a gardener and a farmer. Come with me, I'll show you around. So here are my animals. Whenever I have food, they know that it's time to eat. There's some chickens and goats. There we go. Oh, they want to start good. All right, so here, this is my garden. I have potatoes. You see, there's potatoes. All this area is full of potatoes. This is a big, already huge. So the more I put on soil, it makes it grow more. This is a sunflower. Sunflowers, it will grow very tall and you put in a big sunflower. This is corn. So this bed is mixed with sunflowers, potatoes, and corn. It's the same here. I have potatoes and corn. Very happy potatoes. They are so happy. Big. Look at that. Super nice. And corn in there. Now, right here is lettuce. I have lettuce here. I have green lettuce, the one with the big different leaves, and this has also, it opens up leaves, and this is a purple lettuce also. And here is spinach. You see my spinaches already big. You can always steam them up, use them in salad, different way how you want to eat it. This is onions. Down here is onions, and I have some, of course, lettuce volunteered. They came back last year, they volunteered, they come back every year. This is a purple potatoes. I love potatoes. Me and my family love potatoes. In Africa, we used to eat so much potatoes, so that's why I love growing potatoes. Potatoes and corns and beans. I grow those almost every year. Here, I planted carrots. They haven't come up yet, but I'm hoping they're gonna be coming soon. So they should be, I made like a line of carrots, 3 lines here, just waiting on them. I'll show you guys when they come up. All right, and here I planted beans, green beans. They grow tall on a pole. So the little tiny ones, they're still coming in. Those are green beans. There they are. So all this is full of green beans, and right there is green beans too. See, these are bigger ones. Green beans and corn, they'll grow on corn, so they grow all up, and some will grow on a fence. So that's my plan there. So here they have corn, so I plant corn on a side, and then corn in the middle, and then green beans on a side, so they will grow on it. Here I have cabbages, cabbage and kale in here, and my strawberry plants. There's already strawberry coming up soon. There you go. In a few weeks, we're gonna be eating here strawberry. And purple cabbage right here, sunflowers, and peas right here, peas. So all this bed is full of peas in it. Peas. And of course, strawberries. My little ones love to go in the garden and pick stuff out of the garden. So this is easy. They can just grab and eat. And here is tomatoes. I'm going to put in more. Actually, my mother-in-law gave me these tomatoes. She planted them here. She's an amazing lady. So tomatoes here. Yeah, and that's it so far what I have in the garden, but I'm putting in more. Some are still growing in my green leaf in the house, so tune in. I'll be showing you more, and see you soon shortly. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe please. Thank you. Bye.